Hi, welcome to the channel Too Rational. I'm Pranay Sharma, and in this video we are going to talk about the exam instructions for the September 2024 examination conducted by IFoA Institute. We'll go through all the steps you should do before the examination as well as on the day of the examination. The first thing you should check is whether the required softwares are installed in your system or not. You would require Microsoft Word 2013 or later. So you can have 2013, 16, 19, 21, 24 and all of them are fine. You will be writing your paper A examination in Microsoft Word. Some of the paper B examinations are to be written in Microsoft Excel. So make sure you have Microsoft Excel installed 2013 or later. You would need a PDF reader, maybe Adobe Reader or some other PDF reader, because your exam question paper is going to be in form of PDF. Some of the examination files will be given to you in form of a zip file. You would require a WinRAR, WinZip, 7-zip, these kind of compression softwares to decompress them. And a few examinations are to be solved in RStudio, so you will require RStudio as well. Even though you will solve the examination in RStudio, you have to copy paste all your codes and your results, paste it in a Word file and submit the Word file for CS1B as well as CS2B. For your CM1B and CM2B, you have to submit your Excel file in which you will be solving your paper. After you have made sure that you have all of these softwares available and working fine, we'll see what are the exam instructions given by the Institute. This is the examination handbook provided by the Institute for the September examination. You make sure you go through them properly. I will go through all the important points. Before the examination, you should make sure that you log into the IFoA website and check whether your email address as well as your mobile number is correctly written there. The steps are given here. You can log in, and in the member portal you can go to update details and update your details if necessary. There are a few email ID through which IFoA will communicate with us. You should make sure that you look for those email IDs. One is of course this member service and others are listed here. You can see them. 2 weeks before your examination, IFoA will send you an email through which you have to set up your account on the exam platform. So this is how the email would look like, and you will click my set up my account. It will take you to the online exam platform where you would create a password. It will ask you to confirm your mobile number. Make sure you select the country properly. You will get an activation code on your mobile phone. You will enter that on a page something like this. After that, you will get a message that your activation is complete and your account is now active. Once your account has been created, you can now log in on this website. You will go to onlinepracticalexams.org.uk. There you can log in with your ARN and the password that you have created. You will have to complete the two-factor authentication. That will send an SMS to your primary contact number and give you an OTP that you will have to write there. Now in the email that you have received, the date and time of your examination is according to the UK time. You can always Google search the time to your time zone. Like I am searching here 8 AM UK time to IST, that is Indian Standard Time, and it shows 12:30 PM Indian Standard Time. So that will be your exam timing. In your computer, you do not have to change any time zones. It should be your local time. So I am in India, my computer should show Indian time. It should not show any other location. After you log in into your exam account, you will have to do equipment check. This is to make sure that your computer is working fine, and on the day of the examination you will not have any problem downloading or uploading the examination. For equipment check, you should log in to your onlinepracticalexams.org.uk. It will show a welcome page where you will see all the examinations that you have registered for. You will click view exam here. It will take you to a page something like this where you can download the exam handbook. There is assessment regulation that you can read. You can download the formula table book, and go through the instructions for your examination itself. After that, you should click to the equipment check here. This is the equipment check where you will click download check. It will download a PDF that tells you that download function is working properly on your computer. And after that, you would need to upload check. For upload check, do one thing, make a new Word file and just name it something like test1 or something else if you want to. Open it, write something on it, make some equation in it if you are worried about equation editor. And save this file. And we will upload this file. To upload, you will click browse. It will open a window where you will select your file. It will show it here and you can preview it. It's very important you should preview it. And after you are satisfied with it, you will click upload check. After that, it will show such a message, equipment check upload complete. That means your equipment check is done. When you go back to the welcome page, if you see such a red bar, that means you have not done your equipment check successfully. You should do it again. If you are having any problem, you can contact them on this number or this email ID. If you are giving CS1 or CS2 examination, you will see exam material here. You should download that. It is the same data files that you will require during your paper B examination. After this, you are done with the equipment check and you can log in back directly on the exam day. You can do this equipment check in as many computers as you want. If you're changing your computer laptop, you should do equipment check again on that computer or laptop to make sure you will not have any problem during your examination. On the day of your examination, first things you should make sure is all the material that you will require for the examination is present at one place. Like I have the formula table book, the CM1 book, formula sheet or any other material that I have made, I can refer it during the examination itself. 10 minutes before your examination, go to the onlinepracticalexam.org.uk, log in. It will send you an SMS OTP and you have to put that in. Then you will see your welcome page where you will click your view examination and you will come up to this page. You can download your exam paper from here only after your time starts. So as soon as your time starts, this box will become blue. You would be solving your paper A examination on a Word file. So just 2 minutes before the examination, you can create a Word file and write your ARN number underscore the subject name. So let's say CM1A. You are not allowed to write any identifying information inside the Word file. You don't have to make any headers. You don't have to make any footers. You do not have to write your ARN number or your name inside the Word file. As soon as the clock hits the time of the examination, this will turn blue and you will click on it. And you will see a similar window like this where you will click download paper and it will download the question paper and you can start writing your examination. For paper A, you will have exactly 3 hours and 20 minutes for writing your examination, and for paper B, you will have 1 hour and 50 minutes. Make sure that you make an alarm for 2 minutes before your examination ends, 1 minute before your examination ends, and exactly at the time when your examination ends. Because as soon as your examination ends, you should not write anything else. You should press Ctrl Save for the last time and close the file, because IFoA can track when did you save your file last. And if that file is saved more than 1 minute after your exam time was over, your examination will be disqualified. After you are done with the examination, you will have another 30 minutes to upload this file. You will again log into the website. Come up here, click browse, select your file. Then after that, here you would have the preview. You should always preview, make sure the correct file has been uploaded, because you get only one chance to upload the file. If you mistakenly upload a wrong file, you will not be able to correct it. So after making sure that you have uploaded the correct file, then you can press upload answer script here. You will get a message that you have successfully uploaded the file. Only after that you are done with your examination. You will also get an email from IFoA about you uploading the file. You only need internet during downloading the paper and uploading the paper. In between, you can turn off your internet if you want to, or you can keep it on, does not matter. If by chance you were not able to submit your file within that 30 minutes because there was some problem, because of internet failure, power failure, or their website was not working, first thing you should do is keep a photo of whatever problem you had. You need some proof that you were trying and it was not working. Second thing is you will call them on this number. It's a UK number, and tell them about the problem. Only after that they would give you permission to email them your answer script and also the proof that you have taken of whatever problem you had. During your examination, you might face some emergency issues. You may have some fire alarm going off or some other distracting events. You may have their exam platform not working properly. You may have internet problems or electricity problems. First thing is you need proof. So you should keep proof of whatever situation went wrong. If the situation fixes itself after some time, you can start writing your examination. You can inform them on the email ID of exam support that you had certain issues and you lost that much time because of it. They would review your case and give you guidance on what can be done afterwards. These are the exam instructions that you should follow before and during your examination. I wish you best of luck for your examination. Do leave a comment if you have any query. I'll reply as soon as possible and I'll see you in the next one.